Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix a flat tire for cheap. This is temporary, maybe 2 years, a year, and you're gonna need this. I got this for like $3, I believe, at Walmart. 2.84. There it is. So you're gonna need some glue, a pocket knife, screwdriver, a flat screwdriver, pair of pliers, or anything that can grab this nail out. So yeah, this will be very cheap. If you don't have this glue, there's some other kits that cost like $5, and they already have glue and everything. But I didn't get it because I already have some glue, so I got the cheapest one. So yeah, this is temporary for like 1 or 2 years. If your tire is really bad like mine, it'll need replaced anyway. So I didn't do the patch. The patch is like $10 at Walmart. And I'm just gonna do this. Maybe 1, 2 years I'll be replacing the tires. But it is pretty safe. I used to work in a tire shop, and yes, it is safe, guys. So you guys can do that. So yeah, so let's start this thing. So let's try to take this thing out. So you guys gotta make sure how the nail is in there, so you know. So you see how the nail is. So in that position, our plug should go in. So you take it out. You should have pretty much everything ready. In my case, I already had the plug all prepped. Don't be afraid to put some extra glue in there. And you should have ready this thing right here. Okay, let's try this. There it is. Gotta make a bigger hole in there in order for the plug to go in. So I think that should work. That should do it. So don't be afraid to make a bigger hole. Okay. So you guys ready? I think I'm gonna put some more glue. Just in case. Okay. So here we go. So as soon as you take this thing out, you're gonna put the other one in. It's really important, so you don't want to lose all your air. Okay. Before I did this, I put some air in here in the tire. So it's important, if you take all the air out, sometimes it's really hard to put air in it. So let's go. Let's do it. Yeah. So it's almost all the way in. You shouldn't go all the way in. You gotta leave a little bit. So when you take it out, you take it out really fast. Just like that. And it shouldn't leak anymore. So you're gonna cut it the closest to the tire. The closest you can. Hope you guys can see. So that's all. That's all. So to check there's no leaks, you have to spray some more soapy water. But I think that'll be fine. You guys will be fine. Thanks for watching, guys.